Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Sonos Beam to TV. Quick method step by step clearly. Begin by positioning your Sonos Beam near your TV for easy access. Plug the included power cord into the Sonos Beam. Connect the other end of the power cord to a power outlet. Next, locate the HDMI ARC port on your TV. Using the HDMI cable that came with the Sonos Beam, connect one end to the HDMI ARC port on your TV. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI port labeled HDMI ARC on the Sonos Beam. If your TV does not support HDMI ARC, use the optical audio adapter included with the Sonos Beam. Detach the optical audio cable from the adapter and plug it into the optical audio output on your TV. Then connect the optical adapter to the Sonos Beam. Power on your TV in Sonos Beam. Use the TV remote to select the correct HDMI input or optical input where the Sonos Beam is connected. Download the Sonos app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the Sonos app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Sonos Beam. During the setup process, make sure to select your TV as the audio source. Once setup is complete, your Sonos Beam should be ready to use with your TV. Test the connection by playing some audio or watching a show through your TV. Adjust the volume using either the Sonos app or your TV remote. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.